Alright guys, I'm excited. This is the August 2022 Glam Bag X beauty box. So this is a seasonal box that comes every 3 months, and Ipsy curates with like an influencer or a brand. I believe this month is ALicia Keys, and I love me some ALicia Keys. I tell you guys, every time there's anything ALicia Keys in a box, like I keep her stuff right here because AIA 1 month had like a lot of her stuff in there, and I love the packaging. I like looking at it and different things like that. So I am definitely excited to see what is inside. So if you want to see what I got, hear my thoughts and opinions, and is it worth the money, because I believe it's about $60 now, then keep on watching. Alright, so let's cut this puppy open because this is gifted to me every month, so I have no idea what's in here. Alright. So this came with a card. I don't see, like, you know, usually comes with like a big newspaper. It says Ipsy Open Studios. That's because I do get this gifted to me. And it says rewriting the rules, and it has ALicia Keys. She is just absolutely stunning. So everything in here will either be ALicia Keys brand, she has skincare and makeup now, or things that she picked that is one of her favorite items, you know. But and there's a lot. Let me give you a little sneak peek. Not too much, and I like to tease a little bit, but I don't have a card in here. So in editing, I'll put like the price. I'll go into the Ipsy account because I do film on my phone, and we'll do it that way. So I won't be able to tell you the prices now unless, let me just see if I can look on this phone and see, because I don't have any of the Ipsy accounts. I canceled all of them. So let me see if I can still go in it, and then we can get prices. Okay, good. I can go in there and I can find the prices, so I can tell you really quick what is in here. I do have the air on. A couple of the unboxings I had the air off, but you guys know I film in the attic, and it gets hot in here. So this might move a little bit, but I do apologize, you know, because it's late when I'm filming. It's got to be about 5, 6 o'clock, you know? All right, I'm going to stop talking. The first thing is this. I don't know what this is. Let's open her up. I love the Ipsy X's. I do. It's my favorite ones to get. Come on. Okay. So this is from Lawless. I have never tried anything from this brand. They carry it in Sephora, and I heard it's really, really good. What are you? It says the baby one. Oh, it's an eyeshadow palette. Ooh, all right. Starting off pretty daggone good. It's called the baby one. I guess because it's so small. That's so cute. Okay, so it has a mirror, and those are the colors. Now, I normally would put this in a giveaway because I have so many colors like that, but I want to see what their formula is like because I have, ooh, they are creamy. Okay, so here are the 2 shimmers. It's only 2 shimmers and then 2 mattes. There's only 2 shimmers in the palette. Ooh. Whoa, the mattes. Like, whoa, you know that song? Very pretty. Okay, let me go in here and see how much this puppy is. Okay, so this is $25. And how many do you get? 8 eyeshadows. $25. All right, so we have that. The next thing is from Keys. So this is ALicia Keys brand. And this is, ooh, a facial roller. Okay, let's see how much that is. This is $25. Alrighty. I like using these. I have to cut the tape here. When I have a face mask on, like a sheet mask, and then I like taking a roller and like just rolling so I get all the serum in. I like doing that. Why can't I get you open? What the heck is going on here? So that's what it looks like. That's just absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness. That is pretty. It's all black. I love it. It says Keys down here. But that's what I do. So if I have a sheet mask on, I'll just do this go down my neck, you know. You can even do it when you put your skincare on, you know. You can even put this in the refrigerator, and then especially like if you have puffy eyes and stuff, you can do a lot with these rollers. But I'm really happy to get this, you know, to try it out and stuff. And it's weighted, like it feels really, really nice. So I'm happy to get this. All right, so that's the second thing. Oh no! Okay, so we have some Too Faced lip injection. These are the ones that burn the hell out of your lips, I believe. It's called Instantly Sexy Lips. Okay. Instant and long-term lip plumper. All right, let's see. So that is the color. I'm not going to try it on. I'm going to give it to my daughter. I'm going to prank her and say, here, you want some lip gloss? All right, let's see how much that is. This is $29. It's called Lip Injection Extreme Lip Plumper in Original because it burns the hell out of your lips. Some people like it. I don't. I'm a punk. I ain't going to lie. But we have this. Okay. The next thing is from Keys. So this is her brand. And this is an exfoliant. I believe I have this. Yeah. I'll show you. See, I have it, and I got another one, and I like it, so I'm going to keep it. You just add a little water to it. It's like a powder. You put it in your hand, add a little water and stuff. I love exfoliating, so you guys know that. So I'm definitely glad to get that because that's almost gone. So, ooh, I'm excited. Let me look up the price for you. And this is $25. Okay, we have another thing here from Keys. This is, oh, I've got this before and I don't have it because I used it all up. This is their moisturizer. I really like this too. I used it all up. Yep, look at that. I love this. I'm glad to get another one. So you have like a little safety seal. And that's what it looks like. I also have like an eye cream and like a lip cream, you know, like what do you call it? Not like Vaseline, but I can't explain it. Oh, I'm really happy to get this again because I really, really like that. I believe I got that in the AIA beauty box. So let's see how much the price is. Because her prices are pretty reasonable because they really are good quality, you know. And this is $32. All right. All right, so there's just a couple more things. So then we have this thing. This is from Woke. I believe I got this before. This is the Cool Stem Eye Mask. And this is for like puffiness and dark circles. And it looks like this. I think I had mine in a giveaway. So you have two different, all right, let me take everything out. So you got hot and cold gel. So what this does here, you can either put it in the microwave and make it hot, or you can put it in the freezer or refrigerator and make it cold, you know, and put it under your eyes or whatever you like. That's pretty cool. So then you have, these are the steam sessions. So you would open, you get 3 of them. You would open these up first. It says reduces dark circles and puffy eyes. They're unscented. And then, you know, you would put this on, I think, I can't remember, because this might be something different. Let me look it up. So this is $50. It's $49.99, and it says, of course, the eye mask. Okay. It says, place the clear gels in your fridge or freezer for 15 to 20 minutes for cool therapy, or the microwave as low as 10 to 15 seconds. That's what I was trying to tell you. You can do either hot or cold for these. Okay. Then what it says. Then insert them onto your eye mask sleeves. Okay. So you would put them right in here. So if you want them hot or cold, and then put these on. And then this is the same thing here. Let me see. So these are heat cell. So I'm not sure. Whatever this is, I don't want to take up too much of your time. Let me see if it says on the box. Nope, something different. Okay, so these you don't do anything. You open them up, you put them in the thing, and they automatically start heating up for your eyes for steam. So, all right. I'm definitely gonna, I like, especially since I'm Asian, I like anything for the eyes. You know what I mean? Anything that can help me, yes, please. All right, let me get everything together. Okay, so we have two more things. So this is from Perricone, if I'm saying that right, MD. This is a vitamin C citrus brightening cleanser. And that's what she likes. I love using vitamin C because I tell you guys all the time that I suffer from like brown spots. You know, I used to always be out in the sun. I had melanoma in 2015, fine, but you know, I didn't always take care of my skin. And I noticed since I use like the vitamin C serums and different things, you don't really see the sunspots anymore. So I enjoy using these type of cleansers. Let's see how much it be. So this is $35. Okay. Perricone MD, if I'm saying that right. So we have that. And last but not least, what you be? This is from Bobbi Brown. It's a cream shadow stick. I don't tend to use shadow sticks too much, but what color are you? Golden bronze. It's always that shade, you know? And that's what it looks like right there. And I'm gonna swatch it because I'll tell you what I use it for. So that's the shade. Now, sometimes we get lighter shades, and then I like put it like right here or like up my eyebrow, you know, for the arch. But I use these for eyeliners as well. You know, I do. They never tend to hurt my eyes, so there we go. Let's see how much it is, because Bobbi Brown is a little on the pricey side. We didn't get a lot of makeup, did we? Yeah, like this is $32. I would never pay $32, but I do know Bobbi Brown is expensive. All right, so let's recap everything that we got in here. So the only makeup we got is the eyeshadow stick and then an eyeshadow palette. I wish like I seen you could have got a mascara or something like that since you already have an eyeshadow palette, but I will definitely use both of them, you know. This maybe not as much, but I'll use it, you know. Since they did collab with Keys, you get a lot of Keys stuff, and I'm not going to knock it because I really do enjoy her stuff. So we have the exfoliator, tried it, loved it. We have the cream, I used it all up, I'm glad to get another one. We have from Keys the roller, I'll definitely use it, you know. We have this eye mask thingy. Now, a couple of years ago, I would have been like, but I love anything for the eyes. It will definitely be used. So, you know, I'm glad to get that. We have the vitamin C cleanser. We'll use it, definitely. Will I use it every day? No, but I will use it. The only thing I will not use is this Too Faced lip injection, and that's a personal preference. Anything that burns. But I'm going to prank my daughter on it and try to get it on camera, and I'll put it on my second channel. And that's everything. So what would you think if you got this box? Would you like it? Do you think it's worth? I mean, it's worth the value. You're definitely getting over $60 worth of stuff. But as I was looking on here, there's a lot of things on here I wish I would have got, like the Glow Recipe and a mascara. It's all personal preference. But this is given to me every month, so it's not like they have like my profile, what I like. You know what I'm saying? So let me know what you thought. Let me know what you're getting down below. Are you getting the X this month? Are you not? Let me know, because you know your girl is nosy. Alright guys, that is everything. Please like this video. It really does help me out, or dislike it. That helps me out as well. Leave a comment. That really helps with engagement. And yeah, that's everything. Don't forget I do have that second channel. I am getting ready to go on my walk and talk. I'm going to take my makeup off first because it's over 100 degrees outside. And yeah, chit chat. I have some really good news to share. But if you are wondering where I've been for a couple weeks, I'll also leave my latest video that's up down below. And that's everything, guys. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you no matter what. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.